Hi everyone, this is Charmaine here, and I'm the registered dietitian who helps people reverse type 2 diabetes, and today I'm going to teach you how to make soy curls. So what are soy curls? Soy curls are basically these quote-unquote chicken strips that are made from soy. I call them chicken strips because it reminds me of chicken. And the great thing about this is soy gives you a double whammy. Not only is it high in protein, it also is low in saturated fat, which is great for helping you reverse diabetes. Also at the same time, soy has fiber compared to meat that doesn't have fiber. The fiber is important for helping you reverse your insulin resistance. Now, you don't have to go vegan or vegetarian to completely reverse your diabetes. Most of our clients don't, but you can add more plant-based proteins to help you reverse insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. So I'm going to show you how to make this. So first, what I did was that I got these soy curls from Amazon and I just basically rehydrated them with hot water. So it's dry. And then I put it in the bowl where actually my husband did that. He put it in the bowl and he poured some hot water on it to cover it, and you'll see that it'll absorb all the water. Now I'm heating up a pan and I'm going to show you how I do it. It's super easy and simple and versatile because you can season it anyhow you'd like. So I have this pan right here that's heated already. I'm going to put in all of the soy curls there, and I'm going to scrape every little bit in there as well. And what we're doing here is we're letting the heat take up all the moisture or absorb all the moisture so that we can start seasoning it. And actually you can already start seasoning it. In fact, it's actually better to season it right now so that the water can also help us transfer all the spices to different parts of the soy curls. I'm just going to let it sit here for a little bit and then I'm going to start seasoning. So first thing first, I'm going to add a vegetable bouillon. You can use any bouillon you like, and I would be a little bit careful of the sodium content. You can choose a low sodium bouillon so that you're not adding too much sodium in there. And then you can add your spices. I like this Trader Joe's 21 Salute seasoning. It really is a versatile seasoning for anything. I usually dump a lot in there. You can also add black pepper as well, some ginger, some garlic powder. Garlic is great for lowering inflammation. It's very high in antioxidants. Usually I will also add in onion powder as well, but I ran out of onion powder. But the great thing about this is you can really season it with anything you like. You can add tomato sauce in there if you like. You can add sriracha. You can add gochujang. You can add low sodium soy sauce. And great thing is you can add veggies and pair with a low GI grain as well. And you have a complete meal here, and these are very low in glycemic index, so it's fantastic. It's high in protein, low in saturated fat, low in glycemic index, so it's very easy to make, and it's actually cheaper than meat as well. Now I like to say that what we're doing here is a plant predominant diet. You don't have to go vegan or vegetarian, but it's about adding more plants. So if you really want your animal protein, you can still have it, but you want to add more plants to help you improve your insulin sensitivity and reverse your insulin resistance. But you hear the sizzling, and now that it's turned golden brown, this is when it's ready. So you can actually cook it longer if you want it to be a little bit crispier, a little bit chewier, or you can also just leave it as it is. I also did add more chili powder in there to give it more color. You can also add paprika as well to make it a little bit more red. It really is up to you, or you can add turmeric too if you want more of like a turmeric flavor meal, so they can add more antioxidants in there. It's really up to you, but it's very versatile, and I hope you like this soy curl. Now, if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more cooking videos like this, let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more on how you can reverse type 2 diabetes at its root cause, then make sure you watch my free reversing diabetes training. Link is in the description below. Or if you want to work with us one-on-one, also book a call with us. Link is in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.